Hello and welcome back to Just Another Card Channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, as you can see, and you can see by the thumbnail that we are opening up some Pokemon. Don't do this a whole lot, but I'm very excited. We spent $38 on this, so there's going to be a running total on the screen. With literally everything, not just the hits. I want to see how close I can get to TCG player making a profit. So without further ado, let's get to ripping this box. So obviously this stuff's nothing here, so we're just gonna keep moving on. Eight packs. Got a code card. And then these sleeves. We got a bunch of energy here. We got these dividers. The little coins. The dice. This V-Star chip here. And then an empty box. All right, let's get to ripping. Pack number one, here we go. Right on top, we got Pikachu, Phantup, Sudowoodo, Electrike, a Love Disc, the Rockruff Reverse Holo. Spiritomb is the rare. Got a Energy, Bronzong, Colress Experiment, and Kamala with a code card on the back. All right, pack number two, here we go. Sorry I'm going through these slow because I'm doing this because I want to get the exact price here. So it'll be easier for me long term. Tynamo, C-Dot, Horsea, Meditite, Shellos, a Reverse Roselia, and the rare is going to be a Manectric. Got that Energy. Riley, that's fun. Nuzleaf, and a wind-up arm with a code card on the back. Pack three. Azalea, Rockruff, Seal, Shuppet, Machop. The reverse is a Kingdra. And then the rare is a Parasect with a V-Star card. These are nothing. Viper, Sunfisk, and a box of Disaster with a code card on the back. Pack number four, here we go. Electrike, Mukro, Shuppet. We got something here. Wurmple. A reverse is Relicanth. The code card. Bronzong. On the back. Pulling it from the back now. Fantina. Roserade, and then your energy. And then we've got something shiny. Drapion V-Star. All right, next pack. Code card as always on the back. Slugma, Clefairy, Apom, Spinarak, Litwick, and just like that, this is so cool. Haven't pulled this yet. A Mew V Max. That is sick. And then a Kingdra on the rare. And then you've got your energy. Avapom, Abomasnow, and a damage pump. Man, this is exciting. This might even grade well. Go check it out later. All right, next pack. Spinarak again. Lots of Spinarak in this. Paris, Inkay, Hisuian Basculin, Phantup, Zoroark, Gyarados, the Fire Energy, Abomasnow, Rhydon, Komala, and then the code card on the back. All right, 2 packs to go. Here we go. Code card on the back. Follow links. I think we got some more shiny here. Got your energy. Mochoke. Mirage Gate. Cascoon. Poliwag. Oddish. Hisuian Growlithe. Lickitung. Roserade on the reverse, and Galarian Berserker V. I have pulled this so many times. All right, in our final pack, last pack magic. Here we go. Code card. We've got another something here, so here we go. Mass Cargo. Here's your energy. Ice Skin. Carbink. Picnic Mask. Rosalia. Porygon. Inkay. Blipbug. Finnown. And then the last card. Something shiny. The Pikachu. All right, got some great pulls here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I broke even at least. I think I might have. I haven't checked these prices in a cool minute, but with everything here, it'll be close, I would think. So without any other stoppage time or anything like that, I want to wish you a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.